In today's video, we're exploring the best voice recorder apps for Android that can help you capture high-quality audio with ease. Let's dive in and find the perfect app to elevate your audio recording experience. Voice Recorder App. Voice Recorder App is a straightforward and user-friendly application designed for capturing high-quality audio recordings. With its simple interface, users can quickly start recording with just a tap. The app allows for various audio formats, ensuring compatibility with different devices. Additional features include the ability to pause and resume recordings, add tags for easy organization, and share recordings directly to social media or cloud storage. This app is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient tool for recording voice memos, lectures, or meetings without any complicated setup. Sound Voice Recorder Plus. Sound Voice Recorder Plus is a feature-rich voice recording app that offers a wide range of options for users seeking more functionality. It boasts an intuitive interface with customizable settings for audio quality, allowing users to choose between different bit rates and formats. The app also includes features such as an integrated audio player, background recording, and the ability to manage and organize recordings easily. One standout feature is its ability to set recording schedules, making it perfect for capturing interviews, lectures, or any important conversations automatically. Sound Voice Recorder Plus is ideal for those who want a powerful yet user-friendly recording experience. Smart Voice Recorder. Smart Voice Recorder is an advanced app designed for users who need high-quality audio recordings with minimal fuss. The app provides various features, including the ability to record in PCM format for superior audio quality. It also includes a unique feature that allows users to skip silence during recordings, making it easier to find essential parts of longer recordings. The user interface is clean and intuitive, allowing for seamless navigation. Smart Voice Recorder is great for students, journalists, or anyone who requires clear audio documentation, whether it be for interviews, lectures, or personal notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these voice recorder app recommendations helpful for capturing your important moments, whether it's lectures, meetings, or personal notes. See you next time on our channel.